Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be talking about the possible major winter storm coming here into the East Coast here. And let's just dive straight into it. And as we can see here, go ahead and get this out. It's just a perfect combination here. This could cause a blizzard here. A blizzard. Yep, that's right, a blizzard. A blizzard. Yeah. So where the blizzard possibilities could be right in there. Because we can see this clipper bringing this cold air down. And we can see this low pressure system in the Gulf coming up. And if these two meet together, then this could definitely be a blizzard. Could possibly be a blizzard. It's going to come up kind of like this. That's not going to be perfectly straight, but we can see here, yeah, pretty correct. But it does start to curve, and we can see that colliding there. That colliding of this massive dip here. Oh my god, that was weird. A massive dip. What's going on? Technology, work with me. Oh, it's over a crack. That's why. A crack in my table. My desk here. We put it together and there's like a crack there. And my mouse is not sensing any air, and that's why it's moving. Not sensing any solid surfaces. But we can see that major dip there. And we can see it's colliding with this pretty strong storm here. Nice tail. Nice structure here. Here's that rain is pulling moisture up into the system here, and this is the ingredients for a blizzard, guys. This is the ingredients. If this were to occur lower, then we could see blizzards up here, and up there. We could see blizzards, and it depends on how far this thing dips, but it dips very, very, very far there, very far. Pretty far actually, but we can see that, like we said, 6 to 12 inches here, 6 to 12 inches right there, and we can see that here. So they get rain at first, and then boom, snow, and then another storm drops some rain, then drops some snow, and then yeah, it's just going to be cold, and clipper systems are just going to be coming and going. But yeah, it's a little bit early in the year for me to get snow here. But we can see frequently that 540 line is dipping down into the Carolinas and the South here pretty frequently. And here's a storm there going to form probably like that coming through. And this is a good pattern for systems to come up, be nor'easters, but we can see that it went into the United States and it came out, and it could be a blizzard here. It is getting less likely, but we'll have to see. But we can see this jet stream here. Around the time when the system came, that could cause a blizzard was, let's see here. So it is right there. Okay. So it's right here. I'm actually getting a good bit of rain from the system. Lots of heavy rain tonight. It's going to come through and bring some heavy rain there. And let's see how accurate that was. Hey! But, yeah. A lot of rain and then some cold after, but not enough precip to bring us some snow. Anyway, we can see that jet stream as it is forming here. 2 here. Or they could be 1. I'm not sure. I think it is 1. It's just like this. So we can see that. So that is why this system came up, because this jet stream, the lower this is, like if it was like this, if it were to be like that, or just straight south, that would give it a chance to, you know, be a nor'easter and come up here. But as we can see, even if something tried and just completely missed out on this, it still wouldn't go up there because the jet stream, boom, it's like that. And it would probably just curve off there, but the jet stream is like this, and that is why this system is going to be brung up, and that's why it's going to bring up, and it's going to linger because we can see this here. Let's move this out, and we can see that here. Let's kind of move this out. So this is the jet stream we have now, when the storm is going to be at almost its peak. And we can see why it curves this way, because you see this jet stream? It looks like this. It looks like that. So this is the kind of jet stream you want to get a nor'easter. If you get a low pressure system down in here, and then that jet stream going up like that, that's what you need to get a nor'easter to form. And of course, not discriminating or, what am I saying? I just can't think of the word right now. Well, we are not eliminating, there we go, eliminating the possibility of a Miller B nor'easter. Be a little bit farther south than that. A Miller B nor'easter comes up, then if it has enough time, it could become a nor'easter, but it's not likely this year because we can see the jets here. I mean, we are going to have a lot of Clipper systems, just not far south enough to become Miller B nor'easter, but it is looking that we could get some nor'easters. And this is only on the GFS here. We could get some nor'easters. And is there anything to come? I mean, with the pattern, definitely some things could come here. With a pattern like this, it could go either way. It could go like that, or it could go like that. But this pattern here, looking like could be a nor'easter one here. And this is also where you get a nor'easter. It kind of goes up like that, but it falls off, but it has still enough pattern to go like that. So it stays a little bit farther offshore here, a little bit farther offshore, but it's still going to bring some snow to the northeast coast and the east coast, not the southeast though. No snow for you guys, so sorry. And South Carolina, not likely. Georgia, not likely. And Florida, definitely not likely. Carolinas, Virginia, Cape Cod, New York, Maine, Vermont, and Pennsylvania, New Jersey. Those are just some places that could be impacted by some snow this year. Quite a bit, too, when these patterns come around. You see, like at the end of the run, we can see favorable for snow in my area. It comes up favorable for snow in my area. If we just get a low pressure system or some moisture to come down here, it'll become system and move up there. The type of systems you guys want to see if you're a snow lover, definitely, where's the pattern? Quite definitely this pattern here. That's what you want to see for a nor'easter. It brings moisture here and it brings them up. And it has enough moisture down here. The waters are pretty warm. And over the continental United States, cold temperatures will dip, hopefully for snow lovers. And it'll come up here and drop some snow. So it's looking more and more promising for the East Coast here. More and more promising for the East Coast and the Mid-East possibly. Here the lakes are pretty active now. Ooh, the rain is kind of going if you can't hear that. Don't think you guys can. But yeah, that's just the GFS's opinion. And let's go ahead and check out the ECMWF high res and high resolution. But same thing, it's just, over. Hey, anyway. But if we look here, let's go ahead and clear this. So if we look here, we can see the system right here starting. This is 12Z, and now it is, we are getting some heavy rain up here. You guys can't hear that, but let's go ahead and move it out here. And yeah, here, I think that is 6 hours out. 6 hours out. Whew. If you guys can't hear that, I'll put you guys up to the window. I don't know if you guys can hear that, and you heard the blinds probably, but we can see this tail pulling up moisture here. Good tail there, agreeing with the GFS here. Maybe even a better tail, 1000 millibar system there. And we can see this here. Just gonna go ahead and outline, but it is cold enough already here for the system to have some ice right there. Ice. Already in the early system's life, and luckily for the snow lovers here, for the blizzard possibly area, and could even extend that. Luckily there is a clipper system bringing down that cold air, because we can see this here. We can see that. So follow these lines, and that's the way the wind's moving, and we can see it's bringing down cold air here. Down there, bringing down cold air, and we can see this cold air is starting to get close to the system, and when this collides, it could cause much snow here, and we can already start to see that on the ECMWF here. Snow up here, and snow and ice down here, and we can see that line there. Oh, this is the clipper system colliding with this system, but we can see that line there, just assuming, seeing on the ice and snow, just assuming where that 540 line is. And by the way, this is hour 24, so this is not far off, and they've been trending it towards this way, and even better for the snow lovers, been trending towards, and it's finally happening. This is only 36 hours out. Past 132 hours is definitely not, just take it with a grain of salt, basically. But we can see here 540 line estimating right there, far south, and we can see all this snow here, all of it there. And let's see if it does a blizzard for the same area. It looks a little bit farther west there. Let's see. And it is a little bit farther west here, but practically in the same area. Hours and hours of pretty heavy snow here. Pretty heavy snow here for the possibly blizzard. 12 over, possibly a foot. I think they said 6 to 12 inches, possibly a foot of snow in such a short amount of time here, about a day, foot of snow. So it could be blizzard conditions. We'll have to see. It could be blizzard conditions. But yeah, that's really it. I will see you guys tomorrow, and bye.